airplanes flying over. But today I got something very, very exciting for you all. Let me move my camera around here. Today I got something I'm very excited about. I got a really exciting pen. I was looking forward to this package coming in today. But what I got for you today is the Monteverde 20th Limited Edition Innova. And this particular one is in carbon fiber. Limited edition is the gunmetal in the fine tip. So yeah, if you can read that, it might be backwards for you guys, but it is number 873 of 199. I got this from the Goulet Pen Company. So as always, it comes with candy for those who know. Let me set that aside. And yeah, we're sitting outside today. It's a nice day. It's too nice to be inside doing these things. So we're gonna do this one really quick. And this is the box. This is the box of it right now. It's like carbon fiber, like looks like carbon fiber. And this is the top. It says Monteverde, a world of luxury and innovation. And this comes with, if I'm not mistaken, it comes with its own ink as well. And so yeah, I'm just gonna open it up for you guys. So yeah, this is the box here. I might get a better one. And this is what it comes with a little booklet. Set that to the side, and foam. And so this is what's in the box here. Comes with its own ink, the pen itself, and it's just like a carbon fiber. What is this? Oh, this is like a fountain pen. Pen. Like, that's cool. So let's put all this to the side here. And so this is the ink that comes with. I've been looking for a black ink too. I've been like really wanting a black ink, and I was excited that this came with its own ink as well. I was hype about that because I've been looking for a daily pen. And let's get the actual pen out itself, the pen itself. Anything else in here? No, nothing else in the bottom of the box. Okay, cool. And so here is the pen itself. It's carbon fiber. Like I said, this one is number 873 of 1,000. I don't even know if you can see that. It says Innova on the back. That's the Monteverde logo on the cap. This isn't a this is a I call them pop caps. It's not a twist cap, and this is the gunmetal. Can y'all see that? Focus on my hand. But either way, so yeah, this is the nib on it. It's a fine nib, gunmetal. Overall, it's a great pen. See, got that nice satisfying click on it, and it's really like light. It's not something that's crazy heavy. And let's take it apart really quick to see what the converter looks like. So yeah, this is the standard converter. You got silicone on it and stuff too, which is dope. Ready to be filled. So we're gonna get that filled up probably in a later video, not today while we're outside. I don't want to make a mess on my front porch and my wife yell at me. And we're gonna do a writing test of it as well. We're gonna do a writing test and see how this feels, see how this writes, and if it's as good as I'm hoping it will be. This will be my new daily pen, and for $52 you can't really beat getting a limited edition fountain pen. That click is just amazing. Like, let me let y'all hear that. That's nice. I like that. And so this is a very nice pen. I really like this. The 20th anniversary Monteverde, only 1,999 are made, which is cool. So yeah, this will be my everyday pen once it's filled, and if it passes the test, we'll go through and we'll swap out the TWSBI Eco for this, I really been wanting a fine nib pen anyway. My Twisby is a medium with the red ink, and I've been wanting something that's like a fine with a black ink. So I'm excited to see this. Hopefully this works out, and hopefully I'm just excited. So thank you all for watching the video, and please like and subscribe. See y'all in the next one, in the writing test of this pen too. We're gonna do a writing test soon.